Hey friends! Thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. If you are new here, hello, my name is Selle. I am so glad you're here. My son just had his 9th birthday party and I cleaned a bit at the end of the night, but there's still quite a mess left. Lots of dishes that needs to go to the dishwasher, which I ran last night, but since it was a lot, I have to do multiple loads. Also, my floor is super messy and it definitely needs some good mopping. It wasn't a real big party and all that. It was mostly just my family and very close friend. Some of the decor are still hung up and needs to be taken down. I hope you clean along with me today or get some motivation going if you haven't started yet. Let's do this!
Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not.
Like I said, I started tidying up last night and cleaned a little bit, but I got so tired so I went to bed. And this morning, we are gonna finish whatever else was left that I didn't get to do. So I'm mainly focusing in the kitchen because this is where everybody stayed last night and had conversations and ate. If you are new here to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Selle, I'm a wife and a full-time working mommy of one. I would love for you to subscribe and join my YouTube family for more cleaning motivations like this, home organization, grocery hauls, and mom life. I upload new video every single week. So while I'm cleaning inside the house, my sister and her kids, which is my nephew and my niece, are cleaning in the backyard because we did some games like piñata and it was a mess. There's a lot of confetti on the grass and I don't know what else is really left over there, but it was a mess. So they're cleaning it today. So I just want to thank them for doing all that. So at least I didn't have to do that. I just need to clean inside of the house. So I really appreciate that they did that. To clean my granite counters, I am using my DIY cleaner, which is pretty much just water, alcohol, and dish soap.
Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you, yeah.
To be honest with you, this is the first time we celebrate my son's birthday at home. We always just go out to eat. He had a blast and I am so happy that he enjoyed his own party. Now I'm looking forward for more celebration and birthdays to come to this new house.
Let go of the days I wish we had. Stop crying over things I can't take back. Not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the best of life instead. Well, not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. You, oh you, I I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. All the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new, even if we stay in bed. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna now, 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 now. Yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
I wanna give you a million things, cause isn't love what it's all about? And how to make you smile again is something that I wanna figure out. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your walls. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belong to. If I could, I would give something new, then I would have what it takes to make you feel like you're safe. Cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. You don't have to feel like this, yeah, we could try to leave it all behind. And we don't have to think about it, oh baby, try to rest your mind. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your wall. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belong to. If I could, I would give something new, then I would have what it takes to make you feel like you're safe. Cause all I need is need just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Cause all you need is someone true like you are. Cause all you need is somebody. Cause all you need is someone true like you are. Someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you.
I'm laying down it to compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you're ballin'.
I hope you enjoyed this video and find it motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to get up your butt and tackle your own mess at home. And if I did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to your friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate your time, and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye!